Resistors, the most basic and mostly used component in the world of electronics. We know them well, but do you know there is a strange type of resistor which has only one color band instead of four, and that is the black in the middle. And the resistance value is absolutely zero. So what's the point of a 0 ohm resistor? Companies still make them, sell them, and people also use them. Why? Hi guys, welcome back to Free Circuit Lab. Let us find out our answer. In any electronic device, you find such kind of greenish boards which is called PCBs or printed circuit boards. There are many varieties of them. Some has double layers with components at both sides. Some has two layers but with components at a single side. Some has a single layer and a single side through-hole components. And sometimes there are everything at one side and the other side is totally blank. A closer look to a PCB reveals that there are printed tracks which works as wires to carry electricity. They are called traces. They are mostly designed parallelly, but sometimes they need to cross each other. They cannot do so in a single layer because they are 2D. So what do we do here? We just put a part of the trace in another layer and bring them back to this layer after crossing, just like a flyover on a road to cross railway tracks. But if the PCB is single-sided, we cannot do so either. Then we need a piece of wire which just crosses the connection without making short circuit. They are called jumpers. In hand-fitting boards, we install jumpers manually, but in mass productions, we use machines to assemble our PCBs. So if we want to install a piece of wire on a board, we need extra machineries and extra steps to do so. That will increase the production cost. This is the very reason behind these type of fake resistors. This has exact dimension of a resistor, so they can be installed together with other resistors in the circuit with the same machine. So there is no extra step to install jumpers. That was the story of through-hole types. They can also be found in SMD boards. For example, this is a 0 ohm resistor. It has 000 printed on it. The VCC comes from here and it goes through it to this point, and the ground pad goes beneath the jumper. So this is acting like a flyover to jump the ground trace. Or in fact, there are such 0 ohm resistors which also work like a fuse for protection. They are also called 0 ohm link instead of a resistor. If I take one of these apart, we can see there is a piece of metal which has two leads coming out. This is not hollow, it is a solid one. So this cannot work as a fusible resistor because it does not have thin wires inside. But if you take apart an actual fusible resistor, this type of resistors usually used in the mains voltage input section. There we actually find some thin wires which melts in high current conditions and thereby acting like a fuse. Okay, I hope you got some knowledge from this video. If so, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel to get regular updates about my contents. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next video.